What's up, guys? Sorry, this is a little ghetto fabulous. It's in the back of a shop, and I'm just trying to show Steve how to Windex the windows up front. Well, rather than Windex, here's a better way to do it, because when you use Windex, all you're doing is moving the same dirt around, and it never really comes out perfectly. We've had a struggle with this thing for years. It's hard to find somebody that actually knows how to Windex the windows. So I did some research on YouTube just to see the best way to do it, because I want to do it one time, maybe, you know, every month or so.
Yeah.
And do it internally as just one of those things to do when it's slow. There's never a really period of slow time. It's if you're slow with customers, you're busy with other things. So first thing you want to do is let the water run until you actually get pretty hot water, because you don't want it to just be lukewarm. So I like using hot water, so I'll let that run for a minute while I grab this busboy bin, or if you have a bucket or anything that your squeegee can dip into. I got this busboy bucket on Amazon a while back. You know, you could use anything. I told Steve we'll just fill it up maybe 4 inches or whatever, nothing crazy. Okay, so now it's hot, and we'll let it fill up a little bit here. I'm just pausing it so that way you guys don't have to wait that long, but I'm telling them, you know, keep a hand on one side of it. I don't want it breaking my reverse osmosis handle or anything else. So now while it's filling up, you want to take dishwashing liquid like Dawn or anything you have, and only like 2 drops, nothing crazy. Okay, literally 1, 2. That's it. And then mix it around with the squeegee. I think we're good with the hot water now. All right, Steve, grab the squeegee. All right, switch that around a little bit. Try to get it a little bit soapy without splashing it outside. Okay, maybe a few extra drops because you have so much water in here. All right, so he's holding with one hand, moving around with the other. You just want it a little bit soapy.
Yeah, that's what we need, more soap.
Right, turn it around. All right, so just a few little. Actually, put a little bit more soap in that because of the amount of water. But all right, now we're gonna take this out. Oh, we need a towel. We'll get a couple towels that you don't care too much about, and I'll show you why. So just let them come bring it out by the window, and then we've got a couple different kinds of squeegees. Now we're just gonna grab a couple towels. Jake pressure washed this last weekend or the weekend before, but you see how the ledge is, and it just gets a little nasty after a while. So inside and outside, we have these guys that come around. They charge like what, $30 or something like that, just to do the inside and out. And I'm like, why not just have it as one of our to-do things, once a month or once every few weeks as needed. See, the salon is even
It looks like I'm
worse.
gonna do the outside of these anyway.
Of the salon, probably, but the other shop we want to do in and out. All right, Steve. So I had it on pause. In between, I just took a customer, and I've been catching up with George a little bit. How's it working out?
Oh, seems to be working
It's good.
to me.
You see how this is better, because when you do Windex, all you're doing with the paper towel is you're just smearing it around the same crap that's on the windows, but this one you're actually like washing it. It's falling to the bottom. You're wiping it up with towels or paper towels if you don't have towels.
Yeah. And this does the fine tuning.
Yep, and you'll do the inside and outside. Steve does a great job as always. Say what's up, Steve.
What's up?
All right, guys. If you like these type of videos, make sure you know what to do. You like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have a blessed day.